Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Elite Transport series and this is by Maisto. So this one is particularly Maisto flatbed and 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Z. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. So this is not available in India if you are wondering. So I bought this with help. One of my friend actually helped out to get this from China, and this costed me around I think 2000 rupees if I'm not wrong. So let's open it and review. So this one is 2023 edition. This is a new series actually. So I personally love the Maisto series, so all these things which you are seeing looking at here except for this one and for the last one, the rest all are actually Maisto, and these are Harley Davidson customized vehicles. So those looks really nice actually. I did the unboxing video of these cars. You can just go to my playlist, and I think I created a playlist for Harley Davidson customized vehicles, so you can just see all these 6 or 7 cars which I unboxed here. Okay, let's open this one and see how it looks. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Let me just focus on it. Okay, so let's review one by one. So it has a plastic thing to hold the car there. So this one is movable. Okay, till this point it is movable, and this doesn't look like metal. This looks like plastic actually. I don't know, maybe it is metal, maybe a lightweight material, I guess. Let's show some light here. Okay, the tires are actually made of rubber. The rims looks really nice. It doesn't have any suspension, but it looks really nice. This is some huge set of wheels here. So the lights are painted, which I'm not a big fan of, and for the price which I'm paying for this, I expected some kind of fiber here. But anyways, it's not officially available in India, so I can't able to complain. So let's see if there is any interior detailing here. It is there, but it is not easy to show it in this camera here. Hope you guys can see it at least a little bit. You can remove this if you want. Okay, let's go to the main attraction, the Chevy. So this is the whole reason I actually bought this set. It is heavy, which I like. I think it has some openable parts as well. I don't know which way it opens. Let me... yeah, it is opening. Okay, that looks really nice. You can see the engine detailing here. Again, these tires are made of actually rubber. This rims looks really nice. The details on the bottom is actually really good. Paint job is really nice. Detailing also looks really nice. So again, the one thing I really hate about the 1:64 scale cars are this headlights and taillights. They could have added some kind of fiber here, which would have boosted this car's beauty to a different level. But still, it looks really nice. At least those are my nitpicks. I don't know about you guys, how you prefer uh, your 1:64 scale cars. Personally, I like having some kind of fiber for the headlights and taillights, or at least for the headlights. It is a bit difficult to open in hand. Okay, anyways. The interior is chromed out. It has some detailings in the dashboard, but looks really nice. But I don't know if you guys can able to see even with this much lighting here. It has some detailings in the door as well. As you can see, there are speaker details which look really cool. Here also it has actually some kind of details on the door, like the rollable window, that rolling handle, everything is there. It's hard for me to show it in this video, guys, but this looks really nice. I really don't like this flatbed. It looks too plasticky, but this one looks really premium, I can say that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.